Bigfoot 8 versus Sam and the Mini Merc. Drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. All right, drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. Blue light takes this time.
All right, we've got Jacob on the line with Stone to Bone. This is Craig, and the newcomer with the bell. Cameras are ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Looks like Craig missed the jump there. Jacob's going to take that on a penalty for this way. All right, cameras, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? All right, watch the light. All right, oh, he gets Ryan. Sam, on the roof, he's nice and smooth in here. That little truck is deceptive. Brendan, are you good standing over there? Okay. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. All right, go. Restart. Restart. All right. Are we restage? All right, young man. Reset. All right. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Reset up this time. Driver flips it. Reset it on the ball. Bring it to the good skill. Cameras, are we ready? Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Oh! Yeah, dude. I'm still here with that line. Third gear set, no more. Bigfoot, moves on to the semifinals. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Nice start, these two. Ooh, really close. There's a big pull up there. And Stone to Bone. He's to the semifinal. Good one for Stone to Bone. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Really good start for these two. Stone goes out a little bit. But taken out by Stealth. He came back on him. That was a good race. Brendan's in the finals. All right. Pull off the side. Keep yourself fresh there, Brendan. You ran off in the finals. You got Ben and Bigfoot 1 and Jacob with Stone to the Bone to set the other side of the bracket for your final.
I'll take the red light.
Is that a two-wheel drive or it's a two-wheel drive?
It is.
Rock and roll. Yes. Crystals, baby. All right, cameras, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch that light. Let's start for these three. Stone's over the edge. Stone alone. Meets Brendan and makes it all on the final. Cameras are ready. This is your Mile High Mini Monster Open Class Bracket Finals. We've got Stone to the Bone with Jacob and Stealth, driven by Brendan. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Wow! Oh, Brendan with the spell. Wins that bracket. Heck yeah, Brendan.